Hello, first graders. The first thing you do is always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name. You will be working on the side that says Unit 6, Quick Quiz 1. So look for that 1, and it'll have this on the front. All right, so question number 1 says, write how many in each group. So how many in this group? Pencils. How many in the crayons? How many in the markers? Go ahead and pause and do that. Now it says, use this, which is called data. Use the data to complete each sentence. There are blank more pencils than markers. So there are a number more pencils than markers. Again, pencils is here, this is markers. How many more pencils are there than markers? All right, number 2 says there are blank more crayons than pencils. So how many more crayons are there than pencils? Go ahead, pause and solve. All right. There are blank fewer markers than crayons. So how many fewer markers are there than crayons? How many fewer markers are there than crayons? That goes in problem number 4. Go ahead, pause and solve. All right, number 5, there are blank fewer pencils than crayons. So how many fewer pencils are there than crayons? Again, how many fewer pencils are there than crayons? Put that answer here. All right, take a minute to finish up anything you might need, and then turn the page over. Okay, now this one says solve this story problem. Use the comparison bars. We've worked on this quite a bit. Keith, which is for the K, Keith scores 10 points. E for Eric, Eric scores 7 points. How many fewer points does Eric score than Keith? All right, Keith scores 10 points. Eric scores 7 points. How many fewer points does Eric score than Keith? Okay, fill in the boxes here, show your work. Write how many fewer points Eric scores than Keith, and make sure to put the label points. Points was where the label is. Go ahead, pause, and I'll read it one more time and then pause and solve. Keith scores 10 points. Eric scores 7 points. How many fewer points does Eric score than Keith? Pause and solve. Okay, there are 2 more white rabbits than brown rabbits. There are 9 brown rabbits. How many white rabbits are there? Ready? So there are 2 more brown rabbits. Oh, sorry, I read that wrong. There are 2 more white, there's the W, white rabbits than brown rabbits. There are 9 brown rabbits. How many white rabbits are there? So there are 2 more white rabbits than brown rabbits. There are 9 brown rabbits. How many white rabbits are there? Okay, so you're trying to find this, and you're going to write how many white rabbits, the number right here, and the label will be white rabbits. So one more time, there are 2 more white rabbits than brown rabbits. There are 9 brown rabbits. How many white rabbits are there? Go ahead and pause and solve. Press play when you're ready to move on to the next problem. All right, your last problem is this. Dawn eats 6 more grapes than Meg. Meg eats 12 grapes. How many grapes does Dawn eat? So Don eats 6 more grapes than Meg. Meg eats 12 grapes. How many grapes does Dawn eat? Okay, so Dawn eats 6 more grapes than Meg. Meg eats 12 grapes. How many grapes does Dawn eat? Okay, you're going to put how many grapes Dawn eats right here, and your label is grapes. Grapes. All right, one last read. Dawn eats 6 more grapes than Meg. Meg eats 12 grapes. How many grapes does Dawn eat? Go ahead, pause and solve. Press play when you're ready to begin. Okay, first graders, you are done with the pre-test for Unit 6. If you finished early, you may go ahead and go on any of our educational apps while you wait. Please leave your test at your desk.